Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Sed and this is my YouTube channel, The Trading Journey. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing and talking about week number 4 in terms of the trading journey with the funded account, my Forex fund or the funded challenge. So basically last week I was on drawdown by 1.2%, I believe. And I said in the video that the goal or the objective is to put the challenge or the account a bit into profit in order to get a free retake that my Forex fund provides. So that was the goal. What happened is I took another loss on GBP GPY. Then my account went down 2%, I believe, or 2.4%. Then I took a buy on silver USD. Then it was a profitable trade. It was a 1-2-3 risk to reward. However, I didn't hold the trade. The goal of that trade was to hold it until the challenge account is in profit in order to request a free retake. And that's what I did. Once it hit 2.4, 2.5, it was 20,000. I think it was $20,000, $10, $20,000, $10, $9 or $11, something like that. Then I closed the trade. The trade was profitable. However, I didn't wait for it because that was the goal. So once I was $10 in profit, I closed it. I've waited a week or so for the challenge to finish. Then I'm about to request a new one. So in terms of strategy, I'm going to tweak it a little bit. I'm not really going to tweak the strategy stays the same, but in terms of the pairs, I'm going to stop trading 3 pairs. I'm only going to be trading silver USD. I've realized and I came to a conclusion where silver USD has been profitable with me. It always goes my way. Well, most of the time, more than 45% it goes my way, hit my TP. So why bother spend time and take the account into drawdowns trading or GPY or GJ? There's no point of that. So that's what I did. I eliminated all GPY and I eliminated GPY, which is GJ. So by doing that, I've decided to increase my risk a little bit because it's kind of impossible to pass my Forex funds trading, taking a trade with 1% risk unless your win rate is very high. Because it's only 30 days, so I don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do, as I said, only trade one currency pair, silver USD, then take risks of 2%. The reason behind the 2% is that the market and the opportunities that comes from this pair is only 2 opportunities a week max, and that's what I'm willing to take and willing to trade. And in case or in order for me to blow the challenge, I need to lose or take 6 losses on a row, which is very, very unlikely to happen. So I'm not doing that, to be honest. I don't believe I'm going to be losing 6 trade on a row. Never happened before. I don't think it's going to happen now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be taking. Trading silver USD, 2% risk. I will trust my strategy. I will trust myself. For the past 4 weeks, I feel blessed. I'm so happy. I told you on day number 1 of the challenge, the goal obviously to pass the challenge, but the main goal, the major one, is to stick to the strategy. Even though I don't pass the challenge, I want to stick to my goals. I want to stick to my rules. I want to stick to my strategy because I know it's profitable long term. Because the challenge is only 30 days. It's not long term. It's only a short term game. Therefore, I need to tweak my strategies in my psychology in order to pass it, and I need to compromise about few things. However, I want to stick to my rules. If I don't pass the challenge, that's completely fine. But I want to stick to my rules, and that's what I did. I didn't pass the challenge. I got blessed. I got the opportunity to get a second chance on the challenge without buying it again, which is a free retake that my Forex Funds provides, as I said in the beginning of the video, if you don't break any rules. So I didn't break any rules that my Forex Funds provide. I stick to my strategy. I didn't break the rules of my strategy. What I said last week, of putting the account into profit, then uh, stopping the trade, then wait for the days to finish and request free retake. That's what I did. That's why I feel very happy because I stick to what I said. It's discipline was very hard in the past 4 days. Sorry, 4 weeks. It was very hard. Um, However, putting a video on YouTube really put that pressure on me where in the top of my head, before I make any mistake, I'll be like, oh, imagine when I go post next week, I can't tell my followers, oh, sorry, I disappointed you. I shouldn't have done that. I didn't want to do that. So the YouTube channel really helped in terms of the psychology aspect. In terms of psychology, I started reading more books, psychological books. I start to be more disciplined. Today, by the way, I started the monk mode. So for the people that aren't aware of what the monk mode means, the monk mode is a lifestyle that monks do in order to. So it's all about stopping everything, shutting down everything you do, picking a goal or an objective you want to achieve in a certain time or a certain period, and only focus on deep discipline. You only focus on yourself. You take out all the distractions out of your life, and you just purely focus on yourself. So I started it today. Today is the 10th of March 2023. Monk mode has been activated. So I'm only going to be focusing about my part-time job. Obviously, I need to pay my bills. So my part-time job for the weekend, I only do it on the weekend so I can have the week to trade. So monk mode, part-time job in order to pay my bills, obviously. Um, Forex trading, psychology, and meditation. These are the only things I won't give up during the monk mode. The goal of the monk mode is to feel better by the end of it, to have a stronger mindset in terms of psychology, in terms of discipline, as well as I want my physical health to improve, my mental health to improve, um, and that was the reason behind it. So I'm gonna take you to the screens now. I'm gonna show you GJ trade that I lost, and I'm gonna show you the Silver USD trade that puts me back up into the challenge. Then I'm gonna request the new free retake from my forex funds while you guys watching, so you know it's real. Let's not make it very long. Let's start the second part, and I'm gonna take you to the chart. Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to be showing you the trade that I lost on GJ. So the market was, so this is a trade, by the way. It was a loss. So basically, the market was going up, was uptrending. Then it broke this level that is created previously, retested it, went back down, then it retested it here. Then I was like, this is the opportunity, this is the sell. I'm gonna sell the market. Then I was expecting it to go down this way. It did do it later on, but I didn't do it with my entry. So I entered here on this pin bar, this bearish pin bar, stop loss above the level. Then the market pulled back, took me out, then start consolidating here for a couple of days. Then eventually it went down. So that was a loss. It really affected my psychology because I needed a win in order to request the free challenge. However, I did not give up. I've waited for another setup on Silver USD. So this is the setup. So basically, in a perfect word, I was waiting for the market to break down, retest, and give me a sell. So I was waiting for that for ages. Didn't happen. However, the market switched back, an impulsive movement to the upside. Then I've decided that maybe the market gonna start going to the upside. So I was waiting for a buy, no longer a sell. So the market pulled back to this level that it broke previously. give me this bullish engulfing candlestick here. Once it did, I entered for the buy, stop loss below the level. It almost took me out. It was a blessing, honestly. Almost took me out. Then it went my way. Um, it was a 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. It hit it to the max, then start going down. However, I needed the price to come to this level here. I think it was somewhere here. Yeah, it was somewhere there. So once the level went to that price, I closed the trade because I was in the profit that I wanted in order to request the challenge. I think it was 1 to 2.2. Yeah, 1 2.22. I closed the trade. So what I said is I'm gonna stop trading GJ. So here you go. 1, 2, 3. Stop GJ. Only focus on Silver USD from now on. Only taking great setup, A plus setup on it. 2% risk to reward, and we see how the challenge gonna go. In terms of the account, this is the account. Uh, it's $20,010 here, 29 cents. It says suspended. If you go to notification, it says the breach was maximum time exceeded. So basically, I've crossed 30 days without reaching this target. Therefore, I lost the challenge. However, because um, I didn't break any rules throughout the challenge. Now I have a free reset here. If you guys can see it. So now I'm gonna take another challenge for free that my Forex funds provides. So I'm gonna press on it. It says this will disable the current account and will send you new account details. Continue. Let's see what's gonna happen. Just refresh the page. Yeah, I believe it gave me another chance. Let's see. This is a new account. Yeah, already gave me the new account. This is a new account. It says profit target $0. I'm very confused. No, wait, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna go to my email. I'm gonna put it on the other screen. Alright, let's go out of this page. Go back. It did send me an email with the new username and password for MetaTrader 5. Let me show you. I won't be able to show you my emails because that's private and I don't want to share it. However, I'm trying to figure it out in order for me to show you the new challenge. Right. I believe they already fixed it. Let me see. Yeah, this is the new challenge. Yeah, so this is the new challenge. In order for it to start, I need to take the first trade. So here you go, guys. New trading challenge for free without paying a cent. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep you again updated as the previous 4 weeks. Gonna be recording it every week and every outcome by the end of the week, and I'm gonna share it with you. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much for watching me. I will see you in the next video, which will be a breakdown of the trades I took. If I don't take any trades next week or the week after it, I will still try to post. However, if I don't post the video, just know that I didn't find any trades and I didn't take any trades. Thank you for today, and I'll see you in the next video.